Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we are learning about histograms. Histograms are special bar charts that show how data is distributed across different ranges or intervals. Unlike bar charts, histograms are used for continuous data where the values are connected with no gaps. Between the bars, each bar in a histogram represents a class interval, and its height shows the frequency or how many values fall within that range. The area of each bar represents the frequency, not just the height. This means if the class widths are not equal, the height of the bar depends on the frequency density. Frequency density is calculated using the formula frequency divided by class width. To draw a histogram, we first make a table showing class intervals frequencies and then calculate the frequency density for each class. Next, we draw bars, where the width represents the class interval, and the height represents the frequency density. Histograms are great for showing the shape of data, whether it is spread evenly or concentrated in one part of the range. For example, we can use a histogram to show the distribution of students' ages or test marks. When the bars are close together and make a smooth shape, it shows how the data is spread across the range. That is all for this lesson on histograms. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.